Another king of the road, Toyota Prius. The next day. This time a Toyota Highlander.
Day 2 eh.
There are even people crossing.
May tumatawid pa, hindi niya ba pinagbigyan? Gago, hindi mo na pinagbigyan yung tumatawid.
1, 2.
Mga gago. Mga gago.
Itim.
Parang Bombay.
Number 1 got away though.
Parang nagkamali ng lane. Isa rin yun yung lip na yun. Ay nako, traffic. Dapat na lane.
Okay, fine, he is giving way because it's traffic.
Saka ka mag-go-go. Gago.
Pero ang bahay sa Las Vegas, 250.
Hindi maintindihan. Uy, great.
It is still red left arrow light.
May video mga kaibigan. Kaya hindi ko pa ina-upload yung iba eh. Alam ko madodog.
Video courtesy of Mr. Albert Bouyer.
Congressman, kakamdamin lang yan yung ano, PhilHealth.
PhilHealth. Yeah. Parang wala silang
Wow, very good reviews.
Ang galing eh.
Did you saw what the king of the road Toyota Prius did?
Kung nakita ni Chris, patay ka dyan. May
Let's watch again, shall we?